Guys, it's your boy Rahul here, and welcome to my another vlog. So today as you saw already, I went to IMG, but right now I've come to Global Village because I was like, why not go to Global Village instead of IMG? Because IMG is like indoor, and I didn't think it was like very reasonable price. Because only like 3 games for 125 dirhams. So I either want to go here, you can play many games at a cheap and reasonable price. So let's go. So guys, this is the main entrance and exit, and guess what? It's full. Because I don't think it has opened till now. So like as you can see, it's full, and even the VIPs they have to wait for I don't know what time. Like both the normal entrances for the normal visitors are full. I don't know when are we gonna get in. So now we just gotta wait. One more thing, guys. It's like if you buy some gold or something, you can get a Mercedes car for free. So guys, we got in, and as you can see, we are here in front of this Burj Khalifa structure. Like there's a Dubai in Dubai. And then if you watch more vlogs frequently, he had come to this area, the London area, where he was at the telephone booth and all. And wow. So guys, there's like this epic, like transport system. Obviously you have to pay. It's like these London type small cars, and it's known as the EZ taxi. Like wow. So guys, as you saw, I went on around 2-3 rides, I didn't shoot all, but then yeah, the one clip you saw, that was a big one, which I can still show you. That one, it goes all the way up and rotates, and I went on one water slide. Okay, so guys, we are heading. I am heading out of this place. So it was a wonderful place. Hope you like the place. So do visit Global Village. I don't think it's gonna be there. Okay, so yeah, my sister featured too.
Stupid brother.
Jokes always. So yeah, what's gonna happen? We are gonna go home right now. Hope you like the vlog and see you further. Like, yeah, let's get out of the place, guys. So we are saying goodbye to this place. Awesome day over here. And can't forget the car over here too. I hope it's gonna be mine, hopefully. Hope you enjoyed it. So see you in the next vlog. I don't know when. I don't know, like, you know, seriously, I don't know. And I'm gonna vlog next time. So see you next time. Peace. So before going, guys, let me just show you the G-Wagon I spotted out. So yeah, that's a G-Wagon.